In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily use the demo trading mode inside the XD app. If you want to get an exclusive sign-up bonus, you'll find the sign-up link down in the video description. Then you'll be taken straight to the sign-up page where you can create an account in about 30 seconds and automatically qualify for a bonus of up to several $1,000s. Alright, once we are inside the app, we can simply go down here and click on Futures. Then up here, click on these three lines right here and make sure that you have demo trading mode activated right here. And if we now scroll up here to the right, we can go to demo, and then you will see we are in the demo trading mode now. You can also see up here that you will get $10,000 of demo funds if you use the sign up link from the description, but you can also claim more if you don't have any right here. And then down here, you can use the slide controller, and let's open a demo trade, for example, just to show you. And as you can see, everything right here works exactly as it would inside of the normal live trading mode. If you want to go back to the live mode at any time, just click right here on back to live. Don't forget to claim your sign up bonus right now by creating an account with a link in the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.